Hi guys, and welcome to another shortcut. This time it's about text in Illustrator. Once I've got the text tool, you can choose it from there. I'm just bringing out random text. If I want to change the tracking or the kerning of these letters, and just by the way, kerning is for one word or a few letters, and tracking is for the whole overall text, and leading is the distance between one line and the line above it. So it's more like kerning, I guess, what we're doing here, but you can call it tracking as well. I hold down Alt or Option, and with the right or left arrows I can simply move this text. You can see now it's very crowded, and now there's lots of space between the letters. This moves up by 20 points at a time. If I want to increase the speed of it, then I press Control or Command as well. Now to move it by 100 points at a time. You can see there's a lot of space now between the letters. You can also select only specific, let's say one word. You can't make up anything when it says it, and then you can do that for those few words. Say you can also even do it for one letter. Let me just bring this back a bit, it's way too much. It's probably not even the best font for it. Let me increase the size of that as well. Shortcut for that, by the way, like we said last lesson, is Control or Command and Shift and the right bracket. That will make it closer. Now say I want only this letter to be closer, I can even just put the cursor that I don't have to select anything, and hold down my Alt Option, and with the right or left bracket move it closer or away. So that's cool. That's as far as kerning and tracking goes. Now for leading, that's changing the gap between the two lines. I can select the line and hold down Alt or Option, and with the up or down arrows choose how close to bring it to the letters. So I can pull it away or bring it really close. That's cool. If I want to speed up the process, this moves it up only by 20 points at a time. If I want to make it faster, then you hold down Alt and Control or Option Command and the arrow up. That will bring it up by 100 points at a time. Now if I want to work only for one word or one letter, as you can see this doesn't work for a word. If I want to do it for one letter, say I have like a squared, there is a way to do squared, but for demonstration purpose we'll just, let's say, use that. Then you press down Alt, Control, Shift or Option, Command, Shift, and then it will work for one letter only, or one word. And by the way, since you mentioned that, you have got another tool here, the Touch Type tool, and you can select a word and then just bring that up or down. That's very cool. Move it anywhere you want. So that's also cool. The benefit of using this Alt option is that this doesn't go up straight, so there is no option for holding down Shift. It wouldn't make it go straight even if I hold down Shift. So if I use this, let's get the regular tool, if I use Alt, Control and Shift, then it will make it up aligned straight to the letters. So that's that. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you gained anything, please give a like and subscribe, and also share any of your comments, tips or ideas in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. So